guys, what's the difference? What is the difference here between these two babies right there? Well, in terms of cutting power, of quality, they're both the same quality because they both cut the same. In terms of power and the torque power, like the RPMs, right? The 2293, yeah, will cut less quicker than this one, the 702, right? But they both cut the same. They both cut the same, guys. So so basically, if you was to get this one, you get the same result as that one, but it's just that this one, the motor, I don't know if you can hear, it's a tiny bit more powerful than this motor right there, right? So that's the only thing. There's the only difference between these two guys, right? So that's it. That's basically the review right there, guys. And after that, it's all about design. Like, which one do you like the best in terms of design, right? And also, do you like multiple charging outputs? Like, for example, this one you can charge, you got charging dock, and you got a USB, right? And this one you only got USB. You know what I mean? So that's the difference. That's the only differences, really. But in terms of, do they cut the same? Yes, they cut exactly the same. So you will get the same result. You will get the same result, right? One thing I'll advise you guys is to get a wall detailer or something as well, if you guys are buying these, because when you're getting details done on around your mouth here and around, like, really detailed. If you're doing a shape up, it's fine. If you guys are doing like starting to do really detailed work, and you want a really, really sharp line, yeah, you have to rely a lot of the time on a little bit more powerful clipper. Not even powerful, but that cuts a bit more. To the point of, even if you go too far, it'll cut you. You have to get something like a wall detailer, right? So basically, to me, this is not enough because I still use the wall detailer, right? So, but in terms of, can you do a whole trim with just that, just trim the shape up and everything, just these? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. But when it comes to shaping up, really getting a sharp line, for example, on your moustache, on your beard, right? Or it's either you get razors or you get a wall detailer as well. I got both. I use both to get really, really sharp lines. Yeah. And that's it. That's all I do. But in terms of, in terms of competition, these two are pretty much the same thing. They even got like different blades, right? And they got different name blades. You got the DCL blade. Trying to go like it's a premium blade, but this blade is pretty much the same. They're the same, like there's no point naming it different. They look the same. They pretty much look the same. This one looks a bit, they pretty much look the same, and they're performing the same anyway. Because it's all about experience. So whilst I've experienced both of them, I could tell you exactly what it feels like, what it's like when you're cutting, and they're both exactly the same, guys. I don't see no difference, right? So this KEMEI right there, they're all the same. It's all the same stuff. It's all the same stuff, guys. Right. Now, in terms of design, it's different, because designing-wise, you got to look at what do you want to buy, because don't forget, when you get stuff, right, you have to consider the fact that you want to get stuff that also you want to use every day, that you feel like using, that looks good, that feels good to the touch, right? And to me, I like smaller items, and this one's a little bit, this guy right there, the 2293 is a bit smaller than this one, right? So I like, and also a bit lighter. So I rather use this. I like using this better a lot of the time than this one. But it's just that I use this one more now because it cuts quicker. So I want to get quicker results. That's the reason why I got with this, because there's always it, guys. You know what it's like when you're busy. You're thinking about the time a lot of the time, right? So this one right there will sort you out. It just gets it done quicker. But this one right there, it's not more detailed, it's not less detailed or whatever. It's just that this one will cut less quick, a little bit less quick than that one. For example, cutting through the bulk and stuff, it cut less quicker than that one. This one will be boom, quicker, quicker, quicker. So think about speed, right? If you want more speed, if you're a barber, definitely get this. If you're looking for a bargain, get this. You won't get disappointed, guys. In any case, you won't get disappointed by none of these. You know what I mean? Because they're both bangers. They're both bangers. But nowadays, I tend to use the 2293 less than this one. Now I keep grabbing these. You know what I mean? Not that I like how it feels better. I like the touch of the stainless steel though, yeah, don't get me wrong. This one's got a coat of paint over the top. So I like the feel of this better, yes, but all in all, they both cut the same. So if you want something that, if you want a 2293, just get the 2293 because it's cheaper anyway, right? And it's more straightforward. If you want less stuff hanging about, for example, you don't need chargers, you just want the line, in for the USB, and that's it, yeah. Just want something straightforward and compact, more compact. Get the KEMEI 2293, 100%. If you get the 2293 and you get this, what I'm trying to say is, this is what this video is about, there's no difference. There's no difference in terms of cutting results, right? Blade and stuff, there's no difference. But in terms of cutting power, cutting speed, there is a difference. I mean, that's what I've noticed anyway, guys. So that's it, guys. Review's over. Like, share, and subscribe for more clipper and trimmer reviews, guys, and videography and photography. Yes, videos also, and more coming all together, guys. And I'll see you guys later. DJ the Creative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.